It's time for another market update featuring Ryan Meeks.
Ryan Meeks, we're back with Escape to Arizona, and in today's video I'm just going to give you guys a quick market update. It's not going to be too long-winded, it's going to be pretty brief, and I'm just going to give you some tales from the trenches here in the Arizona marketplace. If you're between the $400,000 and $500,000 price range, that seems to be the most difficult price range that I've come across to get into a home. I do have a few clients that are looking there right now, and I have a few homes that are actually listed for sale in that price range. And it seems like we could sell those off market pretty easily. We put it in coming soon. We get a ton of interest without even having to show the home. And for my buyers, similarly, just reversed, we're having some issues getting into the homes, being able to see them before they go under market. A lot of times I'll have clients send me a listing, and before we can even go to see it, it has a really solid offer, so they're accepting that offer before it even hits the market live. So that's what we're seeing here, and it's a struggle, and there's very low inventory, and we'll talk about that in a little bit. One of the questions is, when is the relief gonna happen? And I'm not sure. We aren't seeing normal inventory increases that we typically see, which come after a new year. Usually in January, you'll see inventory increase. February, it'll increase a little bit more, and nationally, inventory is down 2% from last week, and it's still 11.5% below the record low, which occurred on April 30th, 2021. Like I said, typically by February we'll see an increase in inventory, but like last year, it's looking like it may not be until the start of May, maybe the end of April, that we'll see a bump in the homes listed for sale. Another interesting figure is that foreclosure filings declined in December of 2021, making 2021 the all-time low for foreclosure findings. Remember all these foreclosures that were supposed to hit the market here? Well, that never happened. So Fannie Mae is predicting that existing home sales in 2022 will fall slightly by about 3.2% due to affordability challenges presented by higher rates, higher prices, but still predicts 2022 to be a huge resale year, second only to 2021, which has been the busiest year in the past 15 years. So that's the national scoop. In Arizona, just to break it down real briefly, we're gonna see prices continue to rise here in 2022 with the short supply, and we just need an increase in housing supply to help stop these price gains. Unlike the 04-05 crash, we're not really gonna see that happen in terms of new construction. There aren't a whole plethora of supply of homes sitting there like there was in 04-05, and there's not gonna be distressed homes like there were in 2009. New construction developers believe we'll see new builds actually appreciate 10% in the next 6 months while still struggling with supply chain issues, as well as the labor market problems that we've been seeing. And yes, the struggle in Arizona continues to be housing those that are moving to a growing job market. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to me. My name's Ryan Meeks. I'm a realtor here in the Valley.